Hello children, let us continue chapter number 4, subject verb agreement. Today we are going to do some exercises. Here we have to see subject verb agreement. Okay children? Exercise 2. Fill in the blanks with the appropriate form of the verb given in brackets. First one, the police dash bracket we have is not taking any chances. Here children, we have to use the proper form of the verb is. Here the word subject see the police. Police is here we take as plural form, so we use are. The police are not taking any chances. Okay. Here sentence number 2. Make sure each person dash have a copy of the book. Here what is the proper form of have? Here we have to use either has or have. Here see the subject each person. Each coming time we have to use singular. So singular form of have is has. So the sentence says make sure each person has a copy of the book. Number 3. Half of the loaf dash is for my pet. Here half of the loaf is a subject half. Part of a whole is given, so fraction is given here, so we use the singular form of the verb. Is the answer. Half of the loaf is for my pet. Okay children? Number 4. Neither you nor your brother dash is to blame. And here we have to use the proper form of is or are, and see the subject here. Here we started the sentence with the word neither. And here we have neither nor. When these words come, then we use the singular verb is. Neither you nor your brother is to blame. Okay children? Last sentence. She has written 2 stories. Both dash has been made into movies. Here children, subject see the second sentence. The sentence starts with the word both. Both means it is a plural word. Both who are there. So we have to use the plural verb form. What is the plural verb form of has? Have. So the sentence is both have been made into movies. Okay children? So singular subject takes singular verb and plural subject takes plural verb. Okay? Exercise 3. Strike off the incorrect word and rewrite the sentences. Then in the exercise we have, in each question we have 2 words in bracket. One is right word, one is wrong word. Wrong word we have to strike off, cancel, and we have to use the right word, correct word, and again write the sentence. Okay. So first one, either the tiger or the lion has or have been here. So see the sentence children, either or we have in the sentence. So whenever we have these words either or, we have to use the singular verb. So either the tiger or the lion has been here. From has or have, what is the singular verb? Has is a singular verb. Number 2, the color of the apples is red. So here the subject is here. The color of the apples, the subject word is color, which is singular. So we have to use the singular verb. Is the singular verb here. Okay, so we are using the word is and we have to write the sentence again. The color of the apples is red. Number 3, the roti and dal are in the plate. So children, here the subject is roti and dal. But here roti and dal we consider as one food only. So we use the singular verb is. The roti and dal is in the plate. Okay children. Number 4. A dozen safety pins cost 5 rupees. Here the subject is a dozen safety pins. So a dozen means what? 12 numbers. So here we use this subject as the plural subject. So the verb we use plural verb. So a dozen safety pins cost 5 rupees. Yes, coming down you know it is singular verb. So here the subject a dozen safety pins is the plural verb. So here we have to use the plural verb cost. Number 5. Neither Raju nor his brother knows the concept. Here we have the words neither nor. Neither nor coming time we have to use the singular verb. Singular verb is no. So we use this word and we have to write the sentence again. Neither Raju nor his brother, not the concept. Okay, children? Exercise 4. Rewrite the sentences beginning with there or here. So we have to write the answer with the words there or here. Number 1. No beggars are in the city now. So the answer is there are no beggars in the city now. Children, when we use the words there or here in the beginning, then we keep the main subject after the verb. The main subject no beggars. Here it is coming after the verb are. There are no beggars in the city now. Number 2. Mangoes are not sweet. So the answer is there are no sweet mangoes. Here children, we have the subject mangoes in the question and this mangoes we have after the verb in the answer. Okay. Number 3. The key is here. Answer is here is the key. The subject the key is coming after the verb is. Number 4. No news is good news. So the answer is there is no good news. So the subject is good news. Okay, so it came after the verb is. Number 5. Certain birds sing but can never be seen. Here the subject is certain birds. So we can write the sentence there are certain birds that sing but can never be seen. Here the certain bird subject it comes after the verb are. Okay children. So when the subject is, when we use the words there or here in the beginning of a sentence, the subject is coming after the verb are or is here. Okay children. Exercise 5. Join the sentences using correlative conjunctions as indicated in brackets and write. Children, either or, neither nor, whether or, both and, not only but also. Here we can see two words and these are said to be correlative conjunctions. And here we have to join these two sentences using this correlative conjunction given in the bracket. Number 1. We could fly. We could go by train. Here in these two sentences we could same coming, so we are writing the same first. We could. Now we have to use this bracket word either and then we write the first part we could either fly or we write the second part go by train. Okay, what is common we write first and first part of the correlative conjunction we write and then first part of the first sentence we write and second part of the correlative conjunction we write and remaining second part of the sentence we write here. So the answer is we could either fly or go by train. Number 2. He has not gone to the party. His friends have not gone to the party. Here what is different? Subject is different. He. Here he. And here the subject is his friend. So we take these two different words and before one word we put neither and before second word we put nor. So neither he nor his friends. Then we put the common part. Has not gone to the party. Here children we use here have because here just before that word we have the word his friends which is plural. So we have to use has not here, have we have to use. So neither he nor his friends have gone to the party. Okay. Number 3. It does not matter you lose or win. So we have to use the correlative conjunction whether or. So it does not matter whether you lose or win. We have to use this correlative conjunction in this way. Okay. Number 4. He lives in Andheri. His mother lives in Andheri. So lives in Andheri is common. So different words are he and his mother. Subjects are different. So we have to use both here. We have to use first word first. Both he. Then the second word here comes and the second sentence first part. His mother. Now here first word is both. So we use live. Both is plural word. He and his mother. We have here. So the verb is plural. Live in Andheri. Okay, here in question we have lives lives, but in answer it is live because we use the word both. Both he and his mother live in Andheri. Number 5. I want to go to Kerala. I want to go to Kashmir. Here I want to go to. It is common. So different words are Kerala and Kashmir. So we use not only before the first word Kerala but also before this Kashmir word. Okay, so I want to go to not only Kerala but also Kashmir. Okay, children, common words we write and before the different words we use these two words. Okay, I want to go to not only Kerala but also Kashmir. Right, children?